Going wildly viral with StumbleUpon. StumbleUpon is another little hidden gem in the world of online marketing. Often misunderstood by marketers as a tool to pass time based on how it looks, StumbleUpon is a discovery website that has been designed to feed content to its users based on their stated interests when they sign up to use the site. Well, check this out. It works on the same principles of a social network website, which means that StumbleUpon is a type of custom search engine with social networking features. That also means that content on StumbleUpon goes viral the same as it would on Facebook. Web content, photos, and videos are shared by peer sourcing, meaning that if the content is great, the advertising comes for free. You can see this in action every time you log into StumbleUpon. You'll see featured content served to you according to your interests. When you click on the Stumble button, a new piece of content will load. This piece of content will feature some useful information with an accompanying image or video and text. It will also include a link to an external website, which means that your viral website will get traffic through these StumbleUpon posts too. Now, when you and other users are served this content, you'll have 3 ways to interact with it. You'll make it go viral or just outright prevent it from doing so. In the top left corner, you'll have a like, a dislike, and a share button. When users click on like, content gets spread further, and more content from the creator and from that category will be served to you. When users click on share, content can be shared on Facebook and Twitter with the click of a button, including to other users in the StumbleUpon platform. Finally, if users click on dislike, content gets gradually taken back, so you have to avoid showing undesirable or low-quality content to avoid getting dislikes. As you can see, StumbleUpon is a great place to upload your viral content thanks to the way it works, and it is quite easy to do so. Have your content URL ready before you get started and log into your StumbleUpon profile. Click on the Add Page button. A small window will appear for you to enter your viral page's information. First, add your URL in the web address field. Then specify if it is safe for work by checking either yes or no. In the Search Interests field, you'll need to specify which niche your page fulfills. Your page will appear to people that have marked these interests. Finally, add tags to make your page easier to find and click on Save. That's it. You can check how your page will appear to others in your profile and start adding others as well. Remember, only great, useful content alongside catchy images will get you a top spot in StumbleUpon.